Hey guys, hey, what is up? Happy New Year! We are full into the second week of 2019, which is crazy to me. It's already going so super fast, but I hope that wherever you are and whenever you are catching this video, that things are in flow for you and that you're feeling great. My husband and I have been down with a little bit of a head cold the last couple weeks, so it's been slow going, and I feel like the universe just wanted us to transition into this new year nice and slow and easy. But I thought I'd pop in today and chat with you really quickly about what I like to do when I'm feeling a little less than motivated on some of these dark, dreary winter days. We are just outside of Dallas right now, and it was sunny and 75 like 3 days ago, which was amazing. But then now the clouds have rolled in and I haven't seen the sun in like 2 days. And I don't know about you, but when it goes more than like a day, maybe two tops without me seeing the sun, I start to feel really like down in the dumps. I just don't feel motivated to do anything. I don't want to create. I don't really feel like talking with my friends. I don't really want to go out and move my body. And that can be really hard, and it's really a struggle, especially for those of us who are nomadic and we don't really have a community to plug into in person. It's very easy to kind of hibernate, right? And just not tap into social media and not reach out to anyone. And we know that that's not so great for our mindset. So I thought I would share with you a couple of my favorite tips for kind of getting yourself out of those winter blues. I'll start with essential oils, of course, because you know me, I'm never gonna not talk about essential oils, but I have a couple other tools that I like to use as well. So one of the oils I'm rocking today is Elevation. This is doTERRA's Joyful Blend. It's a combination of a bunch of different citrus oils along with some florals. It's really uplifting. It smells like sunshine in a bottle to me. So I have that actually on. I have it over my heart. I just diluted it a little, put it over my heart space, and I also have it bumping in the diffuser with Arborvitae. Arborvitae is translates to the tree of life, so it's very grounding. I don't typically find myself drawn to these like more citrusy, florally kind of oils, but I know that they're really great for my mental state. So I like to pair them with something a little bit more grounding so that it smells more like me. So I like to do a couple drops of Arborvitae and a few drops of Elevation. And I really like the combination together. This is actually one of my favorite perfumes, especially to wear in the summertime because it's a little lighter, a little more floral. So I'm basically creating my own sunshine here in our space today. You'll see I still have the Christmas tree up. I took all the ornaments off of it and left the lights. I feel like maybe I can just use it as a houseplant for the foreseeable future. And it's helping to create some really nice, warm, cozy glow in here too, so that's okay. I also have a really awesome oil in my water. This is an oil that's relatively new to my collection. It's only been a couple of months, and I honestly had to like force myself to use it because just like anything, we can get in a rut with our essential oils or with our food or with our workout practices, right? This is Green Mandarin, and it's an incredible essential oil. It's actually from the same plant as the red mandarin essential oil, but this fruit is actually like a garbage fruit that they throw away because it's not ripe yet and they can't use it. So doTERRA swooped in and decided to see if this essential oil had any great properties as an unripened mandarin fruit, and it absolutely does. It's really great for the body. It's really great to help boost immune system and boost your mood. So I have this in my water. I'm upping my water game today because I know that that could be part of why I'm feeling a little sluggish. So I shoot for about half my body weight in ounces every single day, but today I'm going for half my body weight in ounces plus an additional 10. I'm gonna try to keep that up until, well, hopefully as long as possible, but until we see the sunshine for sure. So I have that going in my water. And then I also have Motivate essential oil blend on topically as well. I really like this one in the roller because it's super easy to apply. It comes pre-diluted with coconut oil, so I just rubbed a little behind my ears as well as on the pulse points of my wrist. You could throw that over the heart space as well, on your feet, pretty much wherever you want to have it. But Motivate is a really awesome blend of different essential oils to help you feel more motivated and more encouraged and uplifted. So between my Elevation, my Motivation, my Green Mandarin, my Arborvitae, I am feeling loads better than I was just a couple of hours ago. The other thing I like to do when I'm feeling kind of funky and in this space is use a little bit of sage. If you've never saged before, don't stress out. It's not a big deal. You don't have to be certified in anything to do it. You can just pick sage up anywhere. Your local like crystal shop should have some. And all I did was you just kind of want to light the end of the sage bundle just like so till it catches fire. And then it'll have this like really beautiful kind of smoke. And I love the smell of sage. It's very cleansing. So I went around the whole house as well as me. I did a mantra that I am happy, I'm fulfilled, I am motivated, I'm creative, and just kind of basically talk to myself like a total crazy person whilst saging the space around me as well as myself. And then I just like to kind of put that in an empty little abalone shell and let it just finish smoking and doing its wonderful sagey thing. I have some crystals that I brought out for myself today as well. I have some quartz. I have some citrine. You want to make sure that you're using things that are bright and happy, things that you're drawn to really help yourself kind of get out of that state. The other thing I like to do is take a dance break, which is totally ridiculous. I have zero rhythm. I don't know the words to most songs, but if you can find something that you like that you can groove to, I highly recommend you do that. Throw it on, dance like nobody's watching, especially if nobody really is watching, right? But moving your body is another really great way to kind of get out of your funk as well. I did a little bit of a yoga practice a few minutes ago, and then I'll probably take the dog for a nice long walk here in a little bit. Even though it's cold and dreary and rainy, I might just brave the weather because we both need the exercise and we both need those happy endorphins and chemicals going on in our body. The other thing you can do to help kind of bring yourself out of that funk is be really careful about what you're eating. So we want to stay away from sugars and empty carbohydrates as much as possible always, but especially when you're feeling kind of low. So I just made myself a little curry. I love curry because it's packed full of as many veggies as you want to pack it full of. It tastes really good. I like to make mine with a little bit of a zing to it as well. So I'm going to have some curry. I also had a great big green smoothie a little bit ago just to amp up my body with more greens and veggies. And then between that and the water and the dancing and the oils and the crystals and the movement, it's shaping up to be a really great day, which honestly, when I woke up this morning, it wasn't feeling like that was going to happen. So I hope you find this helpful if you're anything like me and you kind of get a little bit blue when things are gray and dreary. I hope it is sunny and beautiful wherever you are. Speaking of, I would love to know where you're watching from. Comment below with where you're watching this video and hopefully maybe we can connect sometime down the road. Hope you're having a great day and we'll check in soon. Happy travels!